Hi everyone, welcome in another session of data analytics. So today we are going ahead to discuss about week 4 project in details. So let me first share my screen, then we'll just start off. Yeah, hopefully my screen is all visible to you people. So this is fourth week where we are going ahead with the project based on ETL data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau. I have already explained how you have to create dashboard in Power BI and Tableau in the session. So if you have missed out, you can just revisit it and see it. Okay. Now coming down to the project part, it contains around 50, I guess. Let me check though. Yeah, it contains 50 project details. Okay, so you have to just take any one, consider any one of it, and based on that, you have to go ahead with the visualization. Go ahead with the visualization mainly, right? So here, basically, you need to perform the ETL. Like ETL, as you all know, ETL is extract, transform, load. So based on that you have to take the data set accordingly. Like suppose if there is only one data set, like more than one data set, you have to take it accordingly, and the data set can come from different form, like different ways, from CSV, from API, or from any other means as well. Okay, so you have to take the data set accordingly, and then you need to just like extract it and like form it into a single, or you can separately also use, but you have to transform the data set accordingly. Transform means you need to do the pre-processing, and any of the tool you can use for transformation. Either you can work with Excel for doing the basic pre-processing. Also, you can use Python for doing the transformation, or you can also use R based on your preference. Okay. So after that, you need to load the data. So where you will load the data? You will load the data in BI tools, like visualization tools. So there are two visualization tools that you will be using. You will be using Power BI and Tableau. So you have to create dashboard using Power BI and also in Tableau. It's not and either Power BI or Tableau. No, it is you have to create two dashboard on the same data set in two different visualization tool. One is Power BI, another is Tableau. Okay. So any of the data set you are taking, so you have to just make sure that you are taking the raw data set, doing like extracting that accordingly, then going down to the transformation part, and finally loading will be happened in the BI tool, in the visualization tool. It will be happening. Okay, so there you have to take it seriously, and you have to put it accordingly, right? Because in the when you are extracting your details, like extracting the data set in the BI tool, then you have to just accordingly create the visuals, and thereby creating a perfect interactive dashboard that will actually show us the insights from it. Okay. And along with that, you have to, like, for two separate visualization tools you will be using. So there would be two different dashboards. So there should be two different Word files that you will be preparing that should contain the details, like the insight of each of the chart that is there inside the dashboard. Along with that, your recommendation. Okay, so that should be there. Hopefully, I have made myself clear. This project is pretty much easy for you to move with. Okay, so you can see for the very first one, that is COVID-19 global tracker. So it is like you have to extract daily CSV API, unify country names with missing dates, cumulative and daily daily deltas that you have to do it. Your majority of the things what you have to do, a visualization to build everything has been mentioned up here well. Okay, what KPIs you need to use, what are the challenges of the pitfall that would be also mentioned. I might feel that for some of the for some of the project that has been enlisted up here, you might face a bit problem in getting the exact data set or more than one data set in the same row, and you have to just collect it up in that way, right? So that might be a major challenge you can face, but apart from that, other things are quite easier for you because I have already explained how you have to create dashboard using Power BI and how you have to create dashboard using Tableau. The same way you have to do it and make it work accordingly. Okay. So for this week, you need to prepare two dashboard, one in Power BI, one in Tableau. You need to prepare two Word file. One Word file will contain the insights and the recommendations that you are getting based on the dashboard that you have prepared prepared in Power BI. Another Word file will contain the same, the insights and the recommendation on the data on the dashboard, basically on the dashboard that you have created in Tableau. So this four things should be there. Okay, so coming down, you have to, after this, you have to prepare a detailed video presentation where in details you will be explaining each and every chart, what are the insights you have got, what are the, you will start with the ETL process, like from what are the data sets you have taken and from where you have taken it, and what are the transformation, what are the pre-processing steps you have done for going for the transformation. Then you have loaded and how you have loaded this after transformation, how the data set actually look, that you also showcase, and then you load the data set to the Power BI tool or Tableau. Any one of the visualization tool, you'll load the data set. Okay. Thereafter, you have to do the visualizations as we have done, the dashboard, interactive dashboard you have to prepare. So in details, you have to explain in the video that how you have prepared it and what are the charts you have prepared and what are the insights you have got from each of the charts. So explain each of the charts well in detail so that anyone, a layman also, if any layman is seeing it, who don't have any idea related to this data analysis, how the data being analyzed, they also get some of the idea relevant to it. Okay, so like that you have to explain, but make sure that you present everything in a professional way and with a proper setup. Okay, so this are the thing this you have to prepare. Then you have to share your project through mail as you are doing for all this project long. So you will be sharing your project in the through the mail, also with the Google form that will be shared. Google form will be shared in the WhatsApp group. Don't worry on that. But for the mail, you have to make sure that you share the mail within the deadline. Don't miss out the deadline. Okay, so make sure that you share the project through mail within the deadline. Okay, so for the mail, you will be just in the subject, you will add project submission for week number. Week number would be this is week 4, so you will be mentioning week 4 along with the title of your project. Okay, along with the title of your project, you will be adding on. Okay, after that, you will be adding a proper salutation in the mail, and then how the mail is written, the same way you have to write the mail. Along with that, you have to add all of the things like whatever be the essential part, the attachment wise. In the attachment, you have to add the data set separately. Okay. Then the raw data set, you have to attach that. Then you have to add the Power BI file and the Word files. And for Tableau, I know you won't be able to get it because you are using Tableau Public. So make sure that you create like you take a screenshot of the dashboard and attach it, and also you can publish it. You can publish the dashboard in Tableau Public, right? So once you have published it there, you'll get the link. So just attach the link in the mail so that we can get an access of it. Also, you need to take this project to the GitHub. So we would be needing the GitHub link as well, and also the video presentation that you have created, the link of it. Okay, so all of this should be there. I am re-mentioning each one of you, each part of what should be attached in the Word file so that you can just take a note. The very first thing is the raw data set that you have taken. If there are more than one, you can attach more than one, no issues. If you are not like not combining, or in the in the process of transformation and extraction, you are combining, that is well and good, no issues. You have to just share the whatever be the data sets or data set or data sets you are choosing while going. Okay, so you'll attach the raw data. Then going down, you will be sharing the Power BI file. You will be sharing the Word file that contains the insight and recommendation for the Power BI dashboard. You will share the Word file that contains the insight and recommendation for Tableau dashboard. All of this four you'll be attaching. Along with that, you will be attaching the screenshot of the Tableau dashboard that you have prepared. Okay, so you if as you know, in Tableau, you have a space of creating more than one dashboard because of the shortage of space and stuff. So if required, you can just divide the dashboard into two half, maybe one basically, if any of the sales based, so you can just one dashboard maybe related to sale based totally, another maybe related to customer based or order based. You can do it like that. Okay, so this is how you can also divide it up, and you have to submit the screenshots. Okay, and also you need to publish the dashboard in Tableau public website, where once you publish it, you get the link. Okay, so share, like attach, not attach, just mention those link up there and make sure that you in bracket or you add it up that this is the Tableau public link, and for the dashboard also mention the dashboard name if you are creating multiple dashboard in Tableau. Okay, so like that you can do it. Also, you need to add on the GitHub repo link for this project. This project you will take it down in GitHub, and that link we need to get it done. And also you will be attaching the for the visualization. Sorry, you'll be attaching the video presentation link that you have created. That link also you will be attaching. Just for a reminder, I am just giving you the idea that for the video, if your video is less than 6 to 7 minutes, that won't be allowed. You have to redo it either, or you won't be getting any of the marks in the evaluation. Okay, so why to redo the entire task? Because that would be time consuming. So make sure that you once you are creating that video, that should be minimum 6 to 7 minutes, going up max to max 30 minutes. Okay, so that would be the entire thing how you would be working. You need to keep your microphone on while working with that and present your screen accordingly so that things are visible to us, and speak in a correct and clear language. uh, in a clear language, in the sense, so that there is no noise in the background, because if there is uh, much noises in the background, things won't be listened up clearly, right? So you need to maintain this, and you have to submit it like that. Okay, so hopefully I have made myself clear. All of the details I guess addressed. So if then also you face any problem, any issue, you can reach out to us. We will be there to help you out in any manner we can. Okay, so thank you everyone for connecting in today's session. We will be reconnecting in another session. Thank you. Bye.